Girl, you give me feelings in the summertime. Something about the weather in July.
Hello， 大家好，我是小章Aubrey，今天大家过得好吗？我现在在 LA， 我住在我大学最好的朋友家里。我们今天打算呢一起去海边玩一玩。今天刘海有点奇怪，不许吐槽我。Arrived 可以了。我们刚刚从 Getty Villa 出来，然后现在要去吃龙虾卷啦。Hello， 我们点了新鲜的海胆，然后是 lobster roll、clam chowder， 还有 taco。你觉得这个性格有关系？有点 clam chowder。哇，好好吃啊！叮叮，龙虾卷。Girl, you give me feelings in the summertime. Something about the weather in July. But I'm about as fickle as the sands of time. So I don't wanna call you mine. There's a little ember in my heart that flickers. Nothing seems to cultivate the flame. I don't got a problem making conversation. 我们来吃饭，就点大哥有点 record。I think it's recording。这是你的勺子，谢谢。你没法接吗？好吃，我们开始吃吧。好喝，好好吃，有点甜。我们里面我的牙印。你这个洛杉矶人穿什么 New York？ 哦，给大家看一下很酷的鞋子。Myself, don't wait for me. You're the kind of lady that can make my head spin. I don't gotta take another drink. Sitting back enjoying that tan complexion. Wonder what your parents think.